Hi guys, if you have just got this Polaroid Instax Mini SC camera and you don't know how to set it up or how to use it properly, this video will walk you through everything step by step. So first of all, you just have to open the battery compartment on the side of the camera. So it is going to look something like this. Over here, you just have to insert the required AA batteries by matching the plus and the minus symbols correctly. After that, simply close the cover securely. Using the fresh alkaline batteries is really important here because the weak batteries can affect the flash and photo printing. After doing so, you just have to simply open the back film door using the small latch. Then you just have to take the Instax mini film pack out of the wrapper carefully. Inside the camera, you will see the small yellow mark. So match the yellow mark on the film pack with the yellow mark inside the camera. Then gently place the film pack in and close the back cover until it clicks. After doing so, you just have to simply turn the camera on by twisting or by pressing the power button, which is going to be this button over here, depending on your model. You can also press the shutter button once and the black protective cover, which is called dark side, will come out first. So you need to remove it and do not put it back inside. So after doing so, your camera is now ready to take the photos. So that's how you can use it. Thank you.